This video describes in detail the process of making laser-cut foam specifically tailored to your product. Each case size below can be ordered as a package deal, which will include cases, custom foam, custom branded adhesive labels, a free sample for you to approve, and free shipping for the whole order. This service is recommended if your company needs custom cases to complement your product line or outfit your sales team. By purchasing a case package below, you'll receive turnkey cases tailored to your product line and branded with your company name. Before jumping into the customization process, please consider the following disclaimers. All the foam inserts need to be the same design for the entire order. This also applies to the adhesive labels, which also all need to be the same. Finally, the order must be taken in a single release, with the exception of orders that exceed our current inventory levels. In that scenario, we will send partials as they become available. With that disclaimer out of the way, we'd like to welcome you to Case Club, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. To start your custom case project, select a case size below and use the Buy button to place the order for the quantity desired. The checkout process will require a credit card, but if you prefer to pay by check or wire transfer, that can be arranged as well. This package does require payment upfront, but credit and net 30 can be considered at a higher price point. If you're unsure on which case size to choose, that's okay. Send us your gear beforehand and we can instruct you on which case size to choose. Please note that each package below has a minimum order quantity. If you can't meet that minimum, we still can accommodate your project, provided you can order at least 10 cases. However, you will need to contact us for a quote, as pricing will differ and some benefits of the package won't be available. After purchasing the cases, we can start the custom foam process in two ways. As mentioned, you can send us all your gear to be fitted into the case, or you can also send us a CAD drawing. Most customers choose to send us all of their gear because it makes it easier on them, as well as taking the risk out of engineering everything themselves. By sending us your gear, we have three main objectives when designing the custom foam. First, and most important, is to protect the gear from damage. Second is to make the case as compact as possible, which will make transporting it easier and shipping cheaper. Third, we want to make it look professional, because we understand that these cases will be a direct representation of your company. Regarding the foam, this package includes closed cell 2.2 pound polyethylene for the base and open cell convoluted foam for the lid. You can include as many cutouts in the base as you want, so no need to worry about how many items you're trying to fit. We can cut the lid foam as well if needed, but there is an additional cost. Each cutout can also have a unique depth. Our goal here is to ensure all the items are held at the surface, which looks good and allows you to remove the items more easily. A unique aspect of our inserts, often overlooked, is the smooth polished finish of the top surface. This production process is not normal for other foam companies, but we include it in all of our inserts. It makes the foam look nice and also allows you to clean the inserts if they get dirty. If we have your parts, we'll ensure all the parts can be easily removed when designing the insert, which includes features such as finger holes and sticking the parts out of the foam for easier access. Our engineers will take care of all those details for you. Speaking of engineers, you'll be assigned an engineer to work with. That engineer will design a digital proof for you to approve before the sample case is cut. Once approved, we'll start production on the sample case. The sample case will typically take about a week to produce. If you sent us your gear will be returned to you in the sample case. Of course, if you're placing a repeat order, a sample case and digital proof will not be required, which will speed up the production process. Once complete, we'll ship the sample case to any address for free within the continental US, and you can take however long you need to approve it. Once approved, production on the full order will begin, which generally takes about 2 weeks to complete and again ships for free. If the sample is rejected when you receive it, we have two options. If both companies agree that the changes are minor, we can update accordingly and proceed with the order. Otherwise, if a new sample is required, there is an additional engineering fee based on the changes requested, and the next case would be subtracted from the remaining balance. After approving the sample case, the remaining production process takes about 2 to 3 weeks. For those who need cases quicker, there is a rush fee available. The rush fee is dependent on the size of the order, as well as how quick the turnaround time needs to be. Be advised, when your case ships, they will come with foam plugs still in place. These plugs help to keep the inserts looking sharp, but will need to be removed at your facility. If you're not using all the cutouts, you can leave certain plugs in place, and the foam will hold its form. For an additional fee, we can remove all the plugs before the order ships. Each package also includes custom adhesive labels, which we will affix to the cases in the label area. These labels are perfect for company branding or product identification. If you choose to include this service, you will need to provide us with a PDF of the label artwork. Please note the adhesive label will not be included with a sample case, but the full production run will have them. That concludes the overview of how to make custom foam cases through our package deals. We've created this process to be simple, quick, and affordable. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Finally, if you need custom foam without cases, or custom foam for different cases not listed on this page, we'd be happy to quote those for you as well. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.